Wholesome Uttapam with the goodness of oats and lots of veggies. Let's make Veg Oats Uttapam. Firstly, I'm transferring 1 cup of rolled oats to a grinder and 1 cup of Rava or Suji. Let's grind. Oats and Rava are finely ground into a powder. This oats and Rava mixture will be the base for the Uttapam. I'm adding to this half a cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix in and add half a cup of water in batches to bring it to the consistency of a batter. I'm keeping it aside and letting the batter rest for 15 minutes. The batter is rested. Next, I'm flavoring it with 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 green chili chopped, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix it in and it's ready to go on the pan. In a non-stick pan, I'm spreading a little oil, pouring a ladle full of batter and spreading it evenly. You need not spread it thin but rather keep it thick to make it easier to flip. I'm sprinkling some grated carrot, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, and chopped coriander leaves. Next, I'm covering the pan with the lid and letting the Uttapam cook for 2 minutes. The base is firm and cooked. This is when I'm flipping and letting it cook from the other side for a minute. Veg Oats Uttapam is ready. Serve it with spicy tomato chutney and enjoy a perfect combination of nutrition and taste. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.